Jake, is this on, bro?
Yes, Joe.
What's up, bros? Today's Blockchain Joe. A little befuddled here today just because, different type of video we're going to do today, bros. It's going to be more of like unboxing video. I know those types of videos are, kind of popular on YouTube. So I figured I'd do like a blockchain unboxing video. We've got this really cool box here. As I mentioned, we're working with a South American dictatorship, and they've sent over like a little thing to kind of test out within the the blockchain community. So we're gonna pull this out. I mean, a lot of you guys are gonna be like, "What is that thing?" It kind of looks like a LPG canister. I mean that's exactly what this is. It's an LPG canister. We determined that the peanut coin heist that we encountered about a month back, we believe the thieves broke in through the electrical system. So what we're going to do here is we're going to set up the world's first gas-powered, blockchain-powered blockchain. And I think that's going to eliminate a lot of the break-in problems we had previously. So, next video, I think Jenkin's going to get some cords out. We're going to run some stuff, see, if we can get this up and going. So, bros, next video, right? You're going to be able to see this thing up and running. That's right, next video, world's first gas-powered, mining and blockchain and ledger system. Yeah, all right.